Hello everyone, in this video we are solving this question from the topic of differential equations and its solution. So in this question we have to find uh, the area of equilateral triangle given that this is the differential equation and its solution represents a curve passing through a fixed point. So there are two fixed points. First fixed point is 0, 2 and another is -2, 0. We have to find what is the area of equilateral triangle having either this as one of its vertex and either this as one of its vertex or this as its vertex and having one side with this equation. So this is a straight line and this forms a one side of that equilateral triangle. So a rough sketch could be like this. So if this is a point P, a fixed point P, 0, and this is an equilateral triangle having one vertex. So assume that this is the equilateral triangle and this is the line. This is the line x plus y equals to 0. Or this fixed point could be -2, 0 also. And what else? The solution of this differential equation is passing through that fixed point. So if this is a solution, it must pass through this point. And we don't know what is the solution of that differential equation. It could be straight line or any curve So we have to find the solution first. So we will find its solution and then draw a diagram, then find the area of equilateral triangle. So let's find the solution of the differential equation. So given differential equation is 2x 2 plus x dy minus y dx equals to 0. If I separate the variables, I will get dy upon y equals to dx upon 2 plus x or x plus 2. So let's integrate it. So we will get the constant of integration c. So after integration, it is ln of y equals to ln of x plus 2. So there is ln 2 on both the sides. So I will change my constant of integration to ln of c. If I shift this on this side, I will get ln y minus ln x plus 2 ln c. By using the formulas of logarithm, it is y divided by x plus 2, which implies taking anti-logarithm or raising this equation to the exponential. So we will get this. So the solution is y equals to c times x plus 2. This is the general solution and this is the solution for the differential equation, and obviously it is a linear equation, it's a straight line. So we have to find the value of c. So if I take this as a fixed point, we have two choices for fixed point. So first we will discuss for this. Let's take fixed point as 0 comma 2, and it is given that this solution is passing through this point. So what we will do, we will put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2 in it, because it is passing through this point, so it must satisfy this equation general solution. So what we get is 2 equals to c into 2. So c is equal to 1. So the value of c is 1. Therefore, y equals to x plus 2. This is the particular solution. And remember that we have to plot this line also. So in order to plot, let's have few points which satisfy this equation, x and y. So when x is 0, y is 2, and when y is 0, x is minus 2. So the first point is 0 comma 2 and the second point is this. So these are the two fixed points in the given question. Now what we have to do is we have to imagine the solution of this differential equation, which is given by this x plus 2 and this line and this fixed point. So let's observe these three things on a graph paper. Okay. So the fixed point is (0, 2). So here's my fixed point. On x it is 0 and on y it is 2. So this is the fixed point P. The equation of a line which is the side of the equilateral triangle is x plus y equals to 0, which is our standard line, y is equal to minus x. So this is a line which is passing through origin and having a negative slope. This is the line and its name is x plus y equals to 0. And then we have to plot this line also, x plus 2. Its points are, the first point is this fixed point itself and another point is minus 2 comma 0. So this point on x it is minus 2. This. And the line passing through this point, these 2 points is this. So theoretically you have to observe that this line and this line, they are having slope. The slope of this is minus 1 and the slope of this line is 1. Sorry, m2. So if m1 into m2 is minus 1, these two lines are perpendicular. So this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Now we have to draw a equilateral triangle having vertex at this point. So the equilateral triangle could be this and like this. And we have to find the we have to find this area. We have to find this area. So for that we will find its sides. We know that the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into its side square. So assume that this side is A, so this side is also A, and this perpendicular altitude divides the base. It's a median also, so this is A by 2, and this is a right triangle. So by using Pythagoras theorem in this half triangle, I am getting this height. So we have to find this height first. How to get this height first is the distance of this point, perpendicular distance of this point from this red line. So that distance dh is given by this formula: a x naught plus b y naught plus c divided by a square plus b square. So if I use this formula, I am going to get the height of this circular triangle, or the distance of this point from this red line. So what is my x naught? So my x naught is 0 and y naught is 2, and the name of that line is this. So this h is, instead of x naught, I will put 0. So this is 0 plus 2, so this is 2 divided by, and the coefficients. So coefficients are 1, 1. So 1 square plus 1 square. So the height is 2 divided by root 2. So the height is root 2 units. Now this height is, I got this height as root 2. Okay, now I want to find the edges of this equilateral triangle. Coming over to this half right angle triangle, using Pythagoras theorem, I got a square equals to a square upon 4 minus root 2 square. It is 2. So taking this on the side, a square minus a square upon 4. So this is plus, so plus 2, and then LCM is, after taking LCM, I am going to get 3 times a square upon 4 equals to 2. So this gives me a square equals to 8 by 3, or the edge of this equilateral triangle is square root of 8 by 3. Let's not find the square root of this, because the area of equilateral triangle contains a square. Now we got a square. So area of that pink shaded triangle is root 3 by 4 into 8 by 3. So this is 2, and this is root 3. So area is 2 root 3. So the correct option is this. If you take this fixed point, Now, similarly, you can try this same question by taking fixed point as -2, 0 and have a look what are the changes. The idea is the same you have to follow for the second fixed point, that's -2, 0. So I hope this explanation is okay with you. Okay, so this was the explanation for this question. Thank you everyone.